Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's create with Anu. So in this video I will show you how to make Buddha face for home decor item. I have taken a old cardboard and cut it into a Buddha face shape, and from both the side I have pasted clean white paper so that it will look clean. So here I will draw hairline for the Buddha face, and after this I will stick the paper balls which I have already shown in my previous video, so you can check it out. I have mentioned the link of that video in my description box. With the help of black acrylic color, I will paint all over the head region. Here I have pasted all the paper balls all over the head so that it will give a look of tight hair curls, because Buddha had very tight coiled hairs. With the help of a pencil, I will make outline for the eyebrow, eye, mouth, nose, etc. for the face of Buddha. Here I am using yellow acrylic color all over the face region, and after that I will again use black acrylic color all over the head. Here again I am using black acrylic color, and with the help of round zero size brush I will draw outline for the face. I am just following the pencil outline which I have earlier drawn. That pencil outline is not visible on camera, but in real you can see the pencil outline, and with the help of that pencil outline you can draw easily the face. So take your time and draw the outline very precisely. So now I am taking Camlin metallic acrylic color and taking it on my fingertip and spreading over the paper ball, so enhance the curls that usually Buddha has. I have used golden shade from the Camlin metallic acrylic color. Now I will make the foldable stand for the Buddha face so that we can put on the table. That I have used paper roll and cut it into 3 pieces and attach one piece with the thin cardboard like this, and other 2 pieces on the back side of the Buddha face. Make sure that the only 2 pieces will be attached to the back side of the Buddha face, and third one will attach with the cardboard. and all of them will be in the same straight line. Now remove the middle portion of the stand and let them dry completely. After complete dry, again put that middle part of the stand in the same straight line, and now take another paper roll and put it inside the previous paper roll. Let it dry completely, and now you can see that it is easily foldable. So now it is ready to be used for decoration. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon for more amazing videos. Thank you.